If you want to take high-resolution photos on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, what you can do is you can open the camera. For example, in the photo mode, we should be able to tap on this arrow at the top of the screen, or you can swipe down on the camera preview. And in here we can find photo resolution option. By default we use 12.5 megapixels, but we can tap on it in order to increase to 50 megapixels. And then you should be able to definitely increase the quality and resolution of your photos. I'm gonna also check the aspect ratio because the 3:4 aspect ratio provides the highest resolution out of all of these options. But yeah, if you try to switch to any other aspect ratio, then you will also change the photo resolution back to 12.5 megapixels. So just make sure that 50 megapixels is enabled in here. Now, if you're looking for some additional options to improve how your photos look like, then of course you can also use the Pro mode, because in here we can also use 50 megapixels as well. And in addition to that, if you are into photo editing, then you might be happy with the fact that we can use the RAW format, or we can save pictures using the RAW format. So then if you go through the post processing and editing, then we should be able to, of course, make use of that RAW format. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.